What's going on, my SafeMoon astronauts? It is your Captain RJ coming in with another SafeMoon video. In today's video, we are going to go ahead and show you guys how to use the SafeMoon swap feature in the SafeMoon wallet on Android devices. But before we go into that, do me a favor, if you guys are new to the channel, smashy that like and subscribe button down below, as it truly helps the almighty YouTube algorithm promote this video and this channel to find other viewers such as yourselves and other potential viewers out there. Also, follow me on my other social media platforms here. It is just at RJ Ardanas. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to use the SafeMoon swap feature. It's super easy. So before we get started, let me preface a couple things for this video as a prerequisite. We are gonna be using a combination of Trust Wallet and the SafeMoon wallet. Reason being is because the SafeMoon wallet right now cannot purchase Binance. So at the date of this video, it is a minimum viable product, meaning they're gonna roll out some updates in phases. So with that being said, this video again is going to be a combination of Trust Wallet and the SafeMoon wallet. So the first step to using the SafeMoon swap feature is if you are on Binance, make sure you go into Trust Wallet and you go ahead and you purchase some Binance Smart Chain. That is the first step. And I'm just gonna assume everyone knows how to do that on this video. If you guys need like a separate video on how to purchase Binance Smart Chain, let me know and I'll go ahead and create that video as well. Now, once you've purchased your Binance Smart Chain and you can see it in Trust Wallet, step 2 is to go ahead and go into the SafeMoon wallet, and let's go from there. So once you guys are in the SafeMoon wallet, you're gonna see that I have Binance Smart Chain. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on swap, and then I'm gonna click on max on the top right, and it's gonna go ahead and load how much SafeMoon that's gonna allow me. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit swap, and then go ahead and click on the BSC scan just so you can track the actual transaction. And I'm gonna go ahead and refresh it, and you'll see that the status is success. So I'm gonna go back into the SafeMoon wallet. I'm gonna refresh and note and keep an eye on the Binance Smart Chain. There you go, it went down to 0.004 because it went ahead and deducted that and converted it into my SafeMoon tokens. So that was super easy. Again, step 1, buy Binance Smart Chain on Trust Wallet. Step 2, go ahead and go open the SafeMoon wallet, open swap, and just go ahead and hit max, and it'll swap everything into SafeMoon. It'll give you a Binance BSC scan link so that you can monitor it on the actual transaction on BSC scan. And once it's success, go ahead and go back into the SafeMoon wallet, and you will notice that you have all your SafeMoon converted and you have the new addition of SafeMoon tokens on the actual wallet itself. It's very easy. It's super simple. This saves you time from having to go into PancakeSwap and doing it from a third-party exchange like PancakeSwap, right? Again, if you guys were to ask me where this is headed, we're gonna see a couple of stages and a couple of phases in this. First thing is first is I believe that the next thing is we're gonna be able to buy Binance Smart Chain from the actual wallet, because right now the only thing we can purchase using the buy button is Ethereum. And so the moment they can add Binance Smart Chain in here, you will be able to use everything within the SafeMoon wallet. Right now we have to use the Trust Wallet application to purchase Smart Chain, and then go into the SafeMoon wallet to swap it in the wallet itself. Now, once we're able to purchase Binance Smart Chain from here, I think SafeMoon is still working on their partnership with Wire so that Wire can go ahead and support BEP20 tokens. Once Wire has the infrastructure on the backside to support BEP20 tokens, that buy button will be as simple as buy SafeMoon with Wire using fiat. That's down the road, that's down the pipe, but as of right now, let's just call this phase 1. We have to use a combination of Trust Wallet and SafeMoon application. Phase 2, we're gonna be able to purchase Binance Smart Chain from the SafeMoon wallet. And then phase 3, the integration with Wire and the support for BEP20 tokens will become available, thus allowing us to purchase SafeMoon directly from the SafeMoon wallet. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you found it useful, and if you did find yourself learning something, do me a favor and smashy that like and subscribe button down below. It truly helps the almighty YouTube algorithm promote this video and this channel to find other viewers such as yourselves and other potential viewers out there. Also, follow me on my other social media platforms here. It is just at RJ Ardanas. I hope everyone has a wonderful rest of your Tuesday. If you have any other questions, just please post them in the comment section below. Life is too short, so eat some delicious food, drink some delicious drinks, do some good in the world, spread some positive vibes, and I'm gonna see everyone on the next SafeMoon video next time.